Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you about hash Pragma directives in C. So let's get started. First of all, introduction to Pragma. So Pragmas are special type directives. We will see some examples and understand their functions. And it is used to turn on or off some features in our program. We will see how. And these are compiler specific. For example, there is a Pragma which is supported by one compiler but is not supported by another compiler. Okay, so they are compiler specific. And few examples are has Pragma startup my function 1. Here, the my function 1 and my function 2. These are two functions created by us, and if we want some special setup for those functions, and those are initiated by these Pragmas. We will see now. First of all, these two Pragma are not supported by GCC compiler, and then where supported, the first one will call my function 1 before starting the main function, that is this one. And in the second case, it will call the my function 2 after the main function is completed. Okay, now let's see some more Pragma directives. Pragma warn RVL. This Pragma is used to suppress the warning of return value. Another one is Pragma warn PAR. It suppresses a warning saying parameter passed not used. Another one, Pragma warn RCH. This is used to suppress code block unreachable warning. Here we see that there is an arithmetic symbol before the last keyword in Pragma, and there is a specific meaning for that. For example, we have used minus in all three. So this minus is signifying to hide the warning. If we use plus instead of minus, then it signifies that we want to show the warning. And if we want to toggle the warning state, then we can use dot. So these three symbols are used to perform operations on those pragmas. Let's continue into more pragmas. Pragma GCC poison. This is used to block an identifier from the code. For example, in C, the printf is very much used, and if we want the printf to become unusable, we can use this statement pragma gcc poison printf, so it will block it and we cannot use printf in our code. Another one, we have pragma gcc dependency. This is used to issue warning by comparing generation dates of files. If our code is including more than one file and we want to compare that which file is outdated or which file is newer than another file, because sometimes we want that the older file needs to be regenerated when we are doing a fresh compilation. So it will issue an warning that one of the file is outdated and it needs to be recreated before initiating the compilation process. Another one is Pragma GCC system header. This takes no argument first of all, and then it causes the code in current file to be treated as if it came from a system header. And we are talking about the file in which this Pragma is stated or inserted. Few more useful one are Pragma once. This is used to cause the header file to be included only once, even if the programmer includes it multiple times during compilation, sometimes by mistake or sometimes due to some other reasons. And using the Pragma once is similar to using has include guard, which also prevents multiple inclusions. So this was all about Pragma directives in C. And of course, there are more Pragma directives that you can explore, but these are some mostly used and mostly asked in job interviews for embedded systems, specifically when dealing with programming in C. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the very best for your job interviews.